thank you Australia for entering into a comprehensive economic foreign trade agreement with India. This will really strengthen our trade relation, our economic relations, our political relations and diplomatic relations, as well as our long-term friendship. Under this agreement, if Indian exporters are exporting goods to Australia, Australian Customs Department will charge lesser import duties as compared to other countries. In the same manner, if Australian exporters are exporting goods to India, then Indian Customs Department, that is Indian government, will charge lesser import duties while importing goods from Australia. It is called foreign trade agreement. It is a dosti. It's a long-term relation of 75 years. Australia has always been a peaceful country. It has never entered into any conflict. Australia has always been helpful to India. And for better knowledge of this kind of foreign trade agreement, please call 8000-28250. 8000-28250. Kalp Shah, GST classes and export-import consultant. We will guide you how to get export-import related benefits, export-import related GST refund, export-import documentation, and every kind of aspect which is legally involved in export-import, including income tax, GST, this ED code registration, ICE gate registration, and everything from the scratch. कल छोड़िए लीगल चिंता, अपनाइए आपका अपना लीगल साथी कल्प शाह, legalsahayata.com, Kalp Shah GST classes and export import consultant. India, India.